Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making salmon fish in two varieties. Salmon 1 kg, it's available in Lulu. 1 kg 42 reals. Yogurt 3 tablespoon. Kashmiri red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Tandoori masala 1 tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Make fine paste. Apply masala to fish. Marinate for 15 minutes. Butter 2 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Rosemary 1 tablespoon. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Peri peri powder 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix. Apply to fish. Marinate for 15 minutes. Bake for 15 minutes on 170 degrees. Yummy tandoori salmon fish is ready and butter salmon fish is ready. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. So easy, yummy in taste. Salmon is good for health. Don't consume on regular basis. It's high in mercury level. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.